welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So this is the continuation to the previous topic where I have covered 50 important questions. So let's begin. So 51, the type of ecosystem with the highest mean plant productivity is A. Tundra, B. Temperate grassland, C. Desert, D. Tropical rainforest. So the right answer is tropical rainforest. 52nd, in ecosystem, standing crop refers to A. All the green plants, B. All the non-living materials, C. All living and dead animals, D. All the living materials, both animals and plants. So the right answer is all the living materials, both animals and plants. 53. Which ecosystem produces the highest annual net primary productivity? A. Tropical evergreen forest, B. Tropical rainforest, C. Tropical deciduous forest, D. Temperate evergreen forest. So the right answer is tropical rainforest. 54. Dash is the term used to describe the variety of life found on Earth and all of the natural processes. A. Biodiversity, B. Ecosystem, C. Biosphere, D. Ecology. So the right answer is biodiversity is the term used to describe the variety of life found on Earth and all of the natural processes. Next 55. The biodiversity contained in the ecosystem provides forest dwellers with all their daily needs is dash use value. Ethical and moral, consumptive, aesthetical, social. So the right answer is consumptive. 56. The initiative of biodiversity assessment focuses on which ecosystem types? A. Forest, B. Wetland, C. Marine, D. All of the above. So the right answer is all of the above. 57. Which of the following is not a causes of biodiversity losses? A. Overexploitation, B. Eco-friendly, C. Co-extinction, D. Habitat loss and fragmentation. The right answer is obviously that is eco-friendly. Others are the causes of biodiversity loss. Next, 58. Marketable products such as animal skins, ivory, medicinal plants, honey, etc. comes under productive value, consumptive value, aesthetic value, social value. So this all products, animal skins, ivory, medicine plants comes under productive value. Next 59. Dash are called as the lungs of the planet. A. Sahyadri rainforest, B. Konkan rainforest, C. Amazon rainforest, D. South Africa rainforest. So out of these four, the biggest is the Amazon rainforest and they are called as the lungs of the planet. Next 60. Which of the following is not an important hotspots in India? A. Himalayan, B. Western Ghat, C. Indo-Burma, C. Central Ghat. So Central Ghat is not an important hotspot in India. So the right answer is Central Ghat. 61. What flows through the ecosystem while matters cycle within them? A. Energy, B. Force, C. Pressure, D. Wind. So the right answer is energy, which flows through the ecosystem while matter cycles within them. 62. The area to which a species is biologically adapted to live is known as A. Niche, B. Habitat, C. Succession, D. All of the above. So the right answer is habitat. So habitat is the species at the particular area. which is adapted to live. Next, 63. The destruction of habitat of plants and animals is called as A. Endemism, B. Endangered species, C. Habitat loss, or D. Flood. So the destruction of habitat of plants and animals is called as habitat loss. 64. Each organism in an ecosystem is at a specific feeding stage called as the A. Climax level, B. Producer level, C. Trophic level, D. Consumptive level. So the right answer is trophic level. 65. Zoos are the example of A. In situ conservation, B. In vivo conservation, C. Ex situ conservation, D. Ex vivo conservation. So the right answer is ex situ conservation. As in situ means at their original place. So animals at their original place are called as in situ. In vivo refers to when the research or work is done within an entire living organism. Ex situ means off-site conservation. So zoo is off-site. And ex vivo means which takes place outside an organism. Next question, 66. Study of interrelationship between organisms and their environment is A. Ecology, B. Ecosystem, C. Phytogeography, D. Ethology. So the right answer is ecology is the interrelationship between organisms and their environment. Next, 67. An ecosystem gradually merges with an adjoining one through a transitional zone called as A. Ecological niche, B. Ecological footprint, C. Ecotone, D. Biodiversity loss. So the right answer is ecotone. Next, 68. Which ecological pyramid is always upright? A. Pyramid of number, B. Pyramid of biomass, C. Pyramid of energy, D. Pyramid of number and biomass. So the right answer is pyramid of energy, which is always upright. 69. An ecosystem may not undergo changes because A. It is in a state of homeostasis, B. It has plants and animals both, C. It gets solar energy continuously, D. The decomposers are present in it. So the right answer is in a state of homeostasis. As homeostasis means tendency to maintain a stable, relative constant internal environment. Next, 70. Basic types of pollutions are A. Natural pollutions, B. Man-made pollutions, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. So the right answer is both A and B. Next, 71. The calorific value of RDF pellets can be around dash kilocalories per kg. 4000, B 400, C 40, D 4400. So the right answer is 4. RDF means refuse derived fuel, which is produced from various types of waste such as municipal solid waste, industrial waste and commercial waste. So its calorific value is 4000. Next, which of the following is not a type of impurities of water? A. Pollen, C. Colloidal, C. Dissolved, D. Bacteriological. So the right answer is pollen, which is through flowers. Next, 73. The objective of coagulation is A. To remove suspended particles, B. To remove colloidal particles, C. To remove dissolved particles, D. To remove bacteria. So the right answer is to remove colloidal particles. Next, 74. On Earth dash is fresh water. A 3%, B 4%, C 5%, D 6%. So the right answer is 3%. Only 3% of water on Earth is fresh water. Next, 75. Incinerations reduce the volume of waste from 60 to 75%, 70 to 85%, 80 to 95%, or D 100%. So the right answer is 80 to 95%. Next question, 76. Which of the following is not a tertiary treatment of wastewater? A. Filtration, B. Removal of nutrients, C. Chlorination, D. Aeration. So the right answer is aeration, as aeration is the secondary treatment of wastewater. Next question, 77. Which of the following is not a primary pollutant of air pollution? A. Ash, B. Pollen, C. Smoke, D. Smog. So the answer is smog, as ash, pollen and smoke is the main source of air pollution. And smog is the combination of smoke plus fog. Next question, 78. Which of the following is not a secondary pollutant of air pollution? A. Acid rain, B. Ozone, C. Smog, D. Dust. So the right answer is dust, as all the other three are the secondary pollutant of air pollution. Settling chambers collecting dust of size A. Greater than 10 micrometers, less than 10 micrometers, equal to 10 micrometers, D. None of the above. So settling chambers collect dust of greater than 10 micrometers. Next, 80. Gaseous pollutants are controlled by A. Potential energy, B. Metabolic energy, C. Heat, or D. Vapors. So the answer is heat. Next question, 81. The permissible range of PM10 for residential area is, PM is nothing but particulate matter, which is the inhalable small matter around 10 micrometers and smaller. So A 60 to 100, B 70 to 100, C 80 to 100, or D 90 to 100. So the permissible range is 60 to 100 at residential area. Next, 82. The permissible range of PM 125 for residential area is, so particulate matter smaller than 2.5 micromillimeters, A 30 to 60, B 40 to 60, C 50 to 60, or D 60 to 70. So the range is 40 to 60. Next, 83. Dash is a process where gaseous vapors or liquids are concentrated on a solid surface. A. Absorption, D. Adsorption, C. Combustion, D. All of the above. Right answer is adsorption. Next, 84. The World Health Organization WHO defines noise above dash decibels as noise pollution. A. 45 decibels, B. 55 decibels, C. 65 decibels, or D. 75 decibels. So the answer is 65 decibels. Above that, it is defined as noise pollution. Next, 85. Which of the following is not a psychological effect on human beings? A. Rise in blood pressure, B. Reduction in vision, C. Heart pain, D. Damaged nerve system. So the right answer is damaged nerve system. 86. Which of the following is not a solid waste? A. Rubber, B. Cloth, C. Wastewater, D. Paper. So the right answer is wastewater. 87. High-level radioactive waste can be managed in which of the following ways? A. Open dumping. B. Incineration. C. Composting. D. Deep burial. So the right answer is deep burial. So radioactive waste has to be buried deep underground. Next, 88. Average generation rate of MSW is considered as A. 0.4 kg capita per day, B. 0.8 kg capita per day, C. 1 kg capita per day, or D. 0.2 kg capita per day. As MSW means municipal solid waste and its average generation rate is 0.4 kg capita per day. Next, 89. Near the airport, the noise pollution level is above A. 100 decibels, B. 150 decibels, C. 200 decibel, or D. 250 decibels. The right answer is 150 decibels. 90. India ranked dash in the world in generating e-waste. A. Second, B. Third, C. Fourth, D. Fifth. The right answer is fifth. 91. Which among the following is not an act of environmental protection? A. Biomedical Waste Management and Handling Rule 1998. B. Recycled Plastic Plastic Manufacturer and Usage Rule 1999. C. Construction and Demolition Waste Management Rule 2016. D. Conservation of Plastic Waste and Increasing Act 2016. So, the right answer is Conservation of Plastic Waste and Increasing Act 2016. It is not an act of environmental protection. Next, 92. Maharashtra Pollution Control Board is established on A. 7 September 1980, B. 7 September 1990, C. 7 September 1970, or D. 7 September 1960. The right answer is 7 September 1970. Next, 93. Narmada Bachao Andolan is initiated by A. Nana Patekar, B. Amir Khan, C. Medha Patkar, or D. Sardar Patel. So the right answer is Medha Patkar. 94. The study to predict the effect of a proposed activity or project on the environment is known as A. Sustainable Development, B. Environmental Impact Assessment, C. Environmental Improvement, or D. Environmental Cultivation. Right answer is Environmental Impact Assessment. 95. Any spatial area from which runoff from precipitation is collected and drained through a common point or outlet is called as A. Green belt, B. Rainfall, C. Watershed, or D. Rainwater harvesting. Right answer is watershed. 96. National River Linkage Project includes interlinking of dash rivers across the country through a network of dash storage dams. A. 30 to 3000, B. 30 or 3000, C. 40 or 3000, D. 47 3000. The right answer is 37 rivers and 3000 storage dams. Next, 97. GIS stands for A. Geographical Information System, B. Geological Information System, C. Geographical Input System, or D. Geographical Information Solutions. The right answer is Geographical Information Systems. Next, 98. Which among the following is Act of Environmental Protection? A. Biological Diversity Act 2002, B. National Green Tribunal Act 2010, C. Batteries Management and Handling Rules 2001. D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. 99. Article 48A was added by the Constitution-wide Dash Amendment in 1976. A. 22nd, B. 32, C. 42, D. 52. So the Article 48 was added by the Constitution-wide 42nd Amendment in 1976. Last 100. Article 51A G of Indian Constitution represents A. Directive principles, B. Fundamental duties, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. The right answer to Article 51A is both A and B.